Good afternoon, Japan. Good afternoon, rest of the world. My name is Kaz. I'm a Japanese entrepreneur who recently moved to Singapore at the end of 2021. Today is August 30th in the evening, and I just arrived at the Changi airport. And right now, I'm gonna fly to Istanbul, Turkey. I have never been to Istanbul, but this is just a stopover, and then I'm gonna fly over to Berlin to attend the IFA exhibition. I'm gonna show you, the city in Berlin, and then also the exhibition, and also some of the great meal that I'm gonna eat in Berlin, Germany. So if you're interested in today's video, let's get started. So the flight we are going to take is Turkish Airlines. So it's actually my first time to get the Turkish Airlines. I'm kind of excited about it. Wow, it's a lot of people. Last time I came to Changi was last time when we went back to Japan. It was empty last time, but this time, look at that. There's so many people. I just deposited my luggage so that I'm gonna start to check in and go to the departure. So I'm gonna go through the security check, and then I'm gonna do a little bit relax. But they don't even check the vaccination record this time, so it's pretty easy. My flight is gonna leave around 11:30. It's about 10 hours and a half flight to Istanbul, and then I'm gonna have a stopover, and then fly to Berlin. Alright, so I'm gonna get on to the airplane. Goodbye, Singapore. I'll be back soon. Okay, so now about 6:15 in the local time in Turkey right now. We just cleared a baggage clearance for international transfer. We don't know any flight gate information for Berlin, so I gotta wait another couple minutes to find out which gate we have to go, and then we're gonna fly out from Istanbul to Berlin at 7:55. Okay, so I just came to international transit area for Istanbul airport, and I just met my partner here. A lot of people already in Istanbul. It's a quite big airport. It's an international hub for entering to the Europe. And as you can see, most of the people don't really wear masks anymore. Mask is no longer required. I still wear a mask though. We arrive at the boarding gate for Berlin. Now we are gonna be on board for Berlin flight. Alright, so I'm gonna have another air flight from Istanbul to Berlin. So it's gonna be about 2 hours and a half air flight. Yeah, it's raining in Istanbul. So we finally arrived at the final destination, Berlin. So it was about 10 hours and a half flight from Singapore to Istanbul, and then we got around 2 hours layover, and plus we got about 2 hours and a half flight from Istanbul to Berlin. Right now it's about 10:47 local time here. Quite tired. Okay, so I just cleared the customs, so pick up the luggage now, and then we're gonna be out from the airport. Look at the nice looking cafe. So we're gonna get a taxi. And we're gonna go to Alexandria Central. And we're gonna do some sightseeing today.